Jelaskan ya?
Yeah, your sound is clean.
Mention play.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Good evening, everyone. I'm sorry for the noise because I'm in town. So today I'm going to not gonna present that in this going to story. To share the story that what I have been through this, you know, the day. So exactly at 10 p.m. Well, 10 a.m. in the morning. I downloaded the the VDI that we use it that used to for that system administration training, and I downloaded in 2 hours. And that means it will end at 12, and then yeah, it's clear at 12 a.m. in the morning, and then you know, something bad happened because mm, when I try to back it up at Google Drive, it took more than 2 hours to upload it because I don't know the story. Not story. The storage of my Google Drive has been run out, and I can't upload it. So I don't. It's been 6 hours. It's been 6 hours uploading. But the notification will show up after 6 hours. So I waste my time. I waste my quota. That sucks. Just feel like I'm very, very unlucky. This not this weekend, but it's still not. I'm unlucky and unhappy. This week. And I told you that yesterday I bought a new device. Right? Mm, New equipment. I bought a new equipment for this meeting, but it seems like it's broke. It has broke by the day after I bought it. Me through wireless. I'm not sponsored by Xiaomi, but it sucks because I saw it in forum and so many people that has problem, same problem. I don't know if I don't know, maybe I about something else. But, today I wearing another new equipment that is from service, and I'm not not supported and also by service. But it sounds great. And oh, I just feel like this equipment will last will last longer than before than the other equipment. Um, what else? I don't have any much control. Yeah, uh, I have have what is it? I have a problem with the VDI. Do you guys have
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
uh, you guys are you guys doing I'm doing the like for the training.
But if you if
because
you if you can if you can solve the first task, you can easily go into another task. But first
what
you must done about task one.
what
Yeah, yeah. In the point, you must connect your computer to your VM. I will explain it for my meeting.
oh, okay, okay. But it's it's right when I'm imported, right? When I'm imported the PDI to my virtual box. Is that correct? Is that a correct step?
What? Your sound is not too good.
No, no, no. The first step that I looked into the website when I access it,
Mm-hmm.
it's imported. It's imported from you need to import the PDI
Yeah.
by that,
Yeah.
and I need to make a new virtual machine. Is that correct?
New virtual machine. Yes, it's correct.
Yeah. After I decide the operating system that I will use, I
Um, you can follow my presentation in the next
okay.
minute.
Then,
Yeah.
uh,
For now, you can just talking about what you want to talk.
yeah, that's what I did today. I'm not with the model yet, but I try to import it, the TI, and it's it's not run really well. So oh, I just had a bad day, so I chose to play Valorant and get back to the
You
city
are playing Valorant.
uh, this afternoon.
You can
Play
invite
like
me
3 hours,
for play together.
maybe. But for now, I'm just going to focus and the training. I'm trying. And I don't know, maybe today I will reschedule my weekly schedule. So that's it. How many minutes? I thought 5, 6,
uh, 2 minutes 10 seconds.
2 minutes 10 seconds. How you know? How do you know the TV failed?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, wait a second. Okay. Um, I don't know. This, maybe I don't know. I just feel unlucky this week because yesterday I bought new equipment and that broke, so I need to buy another, and it costs like $30 if we use US currency. But in Indonesia, I don't understand because it's too fucked up. Wait, and how about you? The status wire earphones, and it's magnetic, and it feels like it's a feels like a steel, and you get a case, that case, and sticker for you buy it, and also you got what is it, a guarantee because if you bought the Xiaomi or another product, not in um not in not in the store, or you just bought uh phone product, uh, release the earphone, they won't release the currency, the warranty. But I chose this because it's for gaming purpose, and when people talk about gaming purpose, they won't play. They won't play about the quality, and that's what I want to achieve. That's it.
All right, your time is done.
Thank you.
So I think the next part is me. So Handoko, you can ask me if you have any question, and I will presentation now. And hopefully you can focus or some or just look at my presentation. Okay. Um, I will send my presentation. So uh, you can see my presentation, guys. Handoko. Handoko, bro. Alright, I think it's not good. Okay, I will explain in the next. So in this day I will talking about, I don't know, I have no idea. And like before, I want to presentation, but Handoko is not here, so I will talking to about another topic today. Okay guys, good evening everyone. So we meet again in this meeting, and today I want to talking about Adinisa course, I think, because it's a good idea about the bootcamp. That's a good bootcamp for the beginner developer operations, like DevOps. So let's begin. The DevOps is like developer operation. There's contains many things, like configure a server or deploy a server and make it a stable server, like that. So yeah, that's a lot of things in here. Now in Arduino uh, we are has a bootcamp, namely is Linux administration, whatever, it's like Red Hat. So Red Hat is just Linux. So this is open source Linux, and you can custom your configuration. So it's different between Ubuntu, Debian, and Ubuntu. No, it's different between Debian and this Red Hat Enterprise Linux, or you can easily say the RH no RAL, yeah, like that. So I'm sorry, because I'm thinking about two minds. It's like I'm doing some assignment right now, and with the talking, and my brain is like divided to things. So yeah, um about this course is like the first thing first. You can see the introduction, and there is contents definition about the Linux and open source exactly on the Red Hat. So the second is like assessing a system. In this start, you must to finish it, because there are the first touch for your future, the future tasks. And yeah, you must solve it. So in task 3, exactly, navigation file system, it's same like before, just like copy and paste or delete or something. And the fourth task is there is content like quiz. There is content a quiz, and the task 4 namely is managing local user and groups. So there are question about like quiz, and The quiz is like describing user and group concepts. It's easily because if you have ever touched Linux, you can easily solve these things, solve these tasks easily. So yeah, there is so many tasks you can change it, and like managing as a Linux, there's a good idea because I'm not to know about the SA, because in every day I'm using Debian Linux, not Red Hat, and there are have two things about the Linux operation, and the second is like tuning system performance. In the point there are many things, there are many lessons but like this, so you can analyze or you can implementation on the real touch on the real experience. Okay, so yeah, that's it. In the point, this is just basic Linux for the Red Hat, not basic but for intermediate. It's medium difficulty, so not too hard and not too easy, but it's easy if you ever touch a Linux. It's kinda different, like for the installation application like apt, it's different like between apt or yum, like CentOS or Red Hat using yum and the Debian is using apt, so it's different just like that, and many different like that. So I have searching about it. I found the article like changing on network on Debian on no, changing network on Debian and changing network on Red Hat is so different. It's very different because Red Hat is using like network CLI. It's like network. Well, I'm just now the comment. I'm forget for the name. So this is a NMCLI and network manager exactly. But in the Debian it's just like using the interface for network, and in Debian you can easily to write network. So in Red Hat you just using a binary code is like network manager. There are binary for Linux. You can execute it for any user, and yeah, that's it. So I have 2 minutes left, so I will finish it. In the Red Hat I have some problem, and the specific problem I will talking about it in the next meet for my idea about talking, because if we are in conversation I have no idea. I'm not prepared it, so just following the flow, and yeah. So I still have 1 minute or like 1 minute. Alright, first I want to in this day I want to solve my lab on Adinusa, and then I want to work some assignment from my college, and there are so many college, so I will finish it for my future IPK. It's so important because if you want to join some company, they are just looking the IPK, so you must try hard for this, and yeah, you must try hard, you must discipline, you must not doing for like your mood, just doing it, and you can make a schedule for the segment for the better time for using the better for using time. So yeah, my time is done. Who's the next?
Yeah, the last is me.
All right. Your camera is freezing. Can you
Huh?
relog in?
Okay, wait.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4.
Check
So
sound.
yeah, yeah, yeah. It's good now. So you can speaking.
Okay. Wait.
I will mute all of my microphone. So
Okay,
yeah.
it's okay. So today, guys, and good evening, everyone. So for my health is not good for today, same with before. I'm so sick for now, nggak enak badan gitu. Okay. Today I want to tell a story. Yep, about wait, forget it. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Hmm, I forget. Just that. Ah. Hmm. So 22 4 berarti 5. So today I apa ya? I want to share my achievement, right? My journey pengalaman, my experience after I joined the apa ya, competition in networking, that is Cisco pakai Tracer. So this competition starts at maybe on bulan on August, yeah, August. So this competition start August, and for this course is apa ya? Of course, this competition is paid, berbayar, paid competition. But for my yeah, in my organization, if you want to join some competition, the organization will be apa ya? Must be voucher, gitu. Must be voucher for the competition. So that is. And for that, for the first I saw the competition, oh, I'm so amazed, because yeah, this is for the first time I joined some competition, a competition in networking, that is Cisco Packet Tracer. But alhamdulillah, if the competition is Linux server, I can. Why? Because in there in that year, maybe 1 year ago, before I am class 11. Mm-mm. So for the I am grade 10 grade. For the competition is sebelah kelas 11 ya, ya, kelas 11. So yeah, if the competition Linux server, that is maybe yeah, I can do that because I forget it. Yeah, I forget it about that. I forget about that. And for your information, guys, in this competition, I just apa ya, study apa ya, belajar kebut semalam, iya. Maybe you can say iya belajar kebut semalam. Gitu. But yeah, actually I study just 1 month. No. 4 weeks for the retry metri again. So alhamdulillah I can apa ya, I can easily apa ya, to this competition. And for the task is so amazing, you know. Um, I don't know, yeah, I don't know if I see the topology, yeah, topology or something about code. I'm so interested for that, you know. I don't know why. Suddenly, if I saw it, my apa ya, my smart is like again. So maybe that is my advantage, you know, because yeah, for now maybe I just interest with code, maybe just binary code, decimal, subnetting, or programming. It is coding. Yeah, I feel that I'm interested in coding, but for the past, I just chose for the Linux server and yeah, about networking that but right now cybersecurity is up there and my interest is divided three cybersecurity, networking, and coding programming. So yeah, that's so what's that? That's so confused to me because if I want to learn one of that, yeah, one of them, I I think other materi is so nanti jadi ketinggalan gitu. I just overthinking always. Okay, next for the competition. That's so far to my story. um, uh, how far I told it. So, oh yeah, for the task in the competition, alright, competition networking category by Adaptive Lab Network. You can search in LinkedIn, yeah, Adaptive Lab Network. That is apa ya? That is from Universitas Telkom maybe. Hmm. So, just 4 minutes again. So, okay. For the task, you know, this apa ya? This competition is divided session is two. This is season one and season two. Wait, yeah, season one from 8 a.m. until 10 a.m. 10 a.m. And for the session two is 1 p.m. until 4 p.m. Maybe that because I'm forget it. So there are two sessions for this competition. So after that, after I just clear the task, that's so oh my god, what the hell? That's so amazing to me. But you know, I just yeah, I always to ketinggalan mulu. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. The next is pass after I did maybe around 1 week after competition. The competition is apa ya? Announcement yang lulus masuk ke tahap 2 pada tahap 2 itu siapa dan alhamdulillah I termasuk gitu dalam situ. So for this session, yeah, for this tahap 2 gitu, that's so apa ya, very complex than before the tahap pertama. Maybe for the session 1 is troubleshooting and session 2 is configuration. Yeah, for the melengkapi configuration. Yeah, melengkapi configuration. So for that, I just yeah, same with before. There are two sessions again in tahap 2. Sesi morning and session afternoon. And after that, I solved it. But for the for the security for MAC address in Switch, I just forget it for that materi and theory. I just forget it. And for the flyover. No. Maybe the istilah is flyover. If the switch is off, other switch is on gitu. So after that, oh, so that is my competition.
Alright.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I will stop it and thank you.